Hayabusa. Famed for its abundant power, agility, and majestic presence. Legendary for establishing new levels of ultimate sport performance. The all-new Hayabusa features smoother power delivery, nimbler handling, and a collection of advanced electronic control systems that make it more controllable and predictable. And it wraps all this in a breathtaking package that will instantly turn heads with its style and grace. Power is supplied by the latest iteration of the Hayabusa's legendary 1,340 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC 16-valve inline-4 engine. Developed using the latest CAE analytical tools to refine and improve a large number of the internal components, the new engine continues to deliver ultimate performance potential, while at the same time improving combustion efficiency, environmental responsibility, and durability. The new Hayabusa's engine achieves greater power and torque with smoother delivery throughout the low to mid-speed range. A new exhaust header pipe connecting cylinders 1 and 4, optimized cam profiles, a 1 mm reduction in the throttle body inner diameter, and a 12 mm extension to the overall intake pipe length combine to increase engine output at low to mid-range speeds. The new Hayabusa also adopts Suzuki's side feed injector. This new dual injector design places the secondary injector at an angle on the side of the intake funnel. Its spray strikes a reflecting plate in the funnel and forms a fine mist that contributes to increase in power and torque output. These refinements result in delivering power in predictable fashion, enabling the rider to control the bike as they please across a wide range of speeds. A new 2-stage catalytic converter system positions an elliptical converter in the collector and cylindrical ones in each of the right and left mufflers. This combines with the introduction of a second O2 sensor to help satisfy Euro 5 emission standards. Refinements to the twin swirl combustion chamber improve the intake flow coefficient as the valve begins to open and increase combustion efficiency. The new exhaust system satisfies Euro 5 emission standards while featuring a compact, lightweight design. The coloring the new mufflers take on over time enables each rider to add a unique personal touch that reflects his or her riding style. A new assist and slipper clutch brings a lighter touch to clutch lever operation and provides smoother shifting and engine response during engine braking and corner entry. The all-new Hayabusa engine adopts Suzuki's ride-by-wire electronic throttle system. It provides linear response with a light, natural feeling to throttle operations. And because the ECM controls throttle body action, it allows for the introduction of the all-new Hayabusa's advanced electronic control systems. Poised to create a new legend. Poised to deliver the ultimate riding experience. Get ready to tame the beast and create new legends of your own. Get ready for the new Hayabusa, the ultimate sport bike.